Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you multiple ways how we can make money on Etoro. I've been an investor for a while right now, and right now I'm investing through trading 212 and Revolut. Etoro is really like interesting application only because one thing that you can copy portfolios and you can copy other people. So if you want to day trade but you don't want to day trade, what you can do is to copy some day trader and you will be just like investing money and he would be trading your money. If you got good results, we will get to it, but before we start I want to show you my trading 212 account that you can clearly see that I make some money. So when I come here, you can clearly see, look at this, that this is my account on trading 212, and at this point I got 14k. I got also 1000 free funds right here that I'm going to invest soon, and I have 14k like in value of my portfolio, and the return is really great. Now when you look on the pies here and my investment, those are pretty good. Like Asana is like carrying it hard. I'm really thinking about selling it, but I will probably hold it. I don't know what I will do. We will see. But as you can see, on Revolut, I got another 800 plus. So as you can see, I'm doing good. So Etoro, let's go to it and what you can do. So there are multiple options here. You can buy it on Etoro stocks, or you can search and buy ETFs. There are like, let's say, group of stocks, and that's like ETF that you can buy to and invest to. You can simply click Tesla and you can trade it and buy it. So this is the first way, really simple, really easy, that you will be buying stocks. Another thing that you can do is to buy crypto, stocks and ETFs. You can buy also crypto, but I wouldn't actually recommend buying crypto only because with cryptocurrency, they got high fees. So with crypto, I would recommend Coinbase Pro or Binance. So those are that I recommend because Etoro got higher fees. And if you don't believe fees crypto, you can simply click here. Trading for stocks and ETF is really good. But for cryptocurrency, if you see right here, Bitcoin 0.75, Coinbase Pro got 0.5, Ethereum 2% nearly. Again, let me just like close this image here. Ethereum nearly 2%. Again, on Binance you got 0.10. So you can clearly see that Etoro is really expensive. And I'm not saying that you should definitely use Binance. You can use whatever option you want, but don't buy crypto if you want to use Etoro. So that's something really important for me to say. Then other than crypto, you got indices. You see it right here. And then not a lot of results. Commodities like gold, oil, that's something you can buy too. If you are interested in that, you can buy it, of course. Now, the fun begins with the copying people and investing in crypto copy portfolios. So I can simply come here, copy people, and I see that I got Mr. Not. And I can see, look, his results. And what I could do is like, okay, he got a lot of copies in last week. And I could simply copy an amount, how much I want to like invest, and I can click copy. So that's something you can do. That's like, this is a virtual account. So I'm just like showing you what you can do and how we can work with it. Alex deck, another one. And you can really find people that you are interested in, what they are trading in. Look at this. And you see also what they are actually trading and what is the frequently traded here. And you can find multiple of them based on the percentage, like Sharon. And we can check also, look at this, a lot of traders. Again, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, that's what she's trading right now. And you can see the profitability here. So that's what you can do. Or what you can do, you can invest to copy portfolios. So you're going to see the copy people that you can do, but you can also invest to copy portfolios. So you see it right here, sharp traders, crypto equal, cybersecurity. So you see right here, cybersecurity, how well it's doing. And we see what's like, we see the other, what kind of stocks we have here. So that's what you can do. Then we can go chip tech. And we see right here that it was like right now really good. But before that, I don't know. And again, we see an exposure allocation. And you see all the stocks here, always. So that's really good. And you can clearly see and find those which we want to invest to. So crypto equal, crypto portfolio, 8 risk like high risk, fashion, travel kit, multiple options here, outsmart, crypto portfolio. I'm going to click here and you can see clearly there's like stats here. You see that before, like, damn, these numbers are crazy, right? I mean, like, everyone who was investing in these times were earning a lot of money. And when we look what we got, TRX, Neo, Bitcoin, Ethereum, like ADA Dash. But again, those are really, but as you can see, like, look at this drop. It stopped growing, right? It stabilized. And this is really interesting news if you want to invest into crypto. When something stabilizes in the crypto world, or like people are less interested in it, you should be careful about it, mainly in crypto. You just wait for the fall and just prepare the cash for that. That's what I do, right? That I have like 8-9k in crypto right now, and I have about 6k in USD, USDT, etc. Just holding it. So that's what I do. That's what works for me, of course. And again, you can simply click here, trade markets. You can buy various ETFs. I would recommend buying ETFs if you want to invest long term, like I do. Of course, if you believe some stocks, the thing is, guys, buy stock, but don't sell it when it's going down. Like, buy stocks which you believe in long term. If you believe that the stock is going to rise long term and you believe in their product, in their team, CEO, whatever, invest to it and just hold it. That's what I do. Even for 5, 6, 10, 7, 8, 9 years, whatever. That's how I act. But other than that, what you can do is also not only this, but you can, like, when it's going to drop under your price, don't sell it straight away if you believe in the product. Really, that's really important. Now, another thing, which is also pretty important from my perspective, is that you can also make money from the affiliate on Etoro. So you can simply come here, Etoro affiliate program. And they have huge payouts and huge how much money you can actually make. You get like $250, I think. So that's something you can do. And check the Etoro affiliate if you want to earn money on that. But this is pretty much it, and this is how you can make money on Etoro. These are the multiple ways. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.